Hey Brillies! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to do Musical.ly. So you can use a phone or a tablet. So you can use an Android or an Apple device. So you can use these two. So Musical.ly looks the same on iPad and like your phone. So I'm going to show you. So this is how it looks. Like this is the first one. This is how it looks on phone. It's going to look the same on tablet too. This is how it looks on tablet. It's the sixth one. Okay, so once you have downloaded your app, you want to go into it. And then if you already have an account, you'll see this is how your account looks. And so I'm going to teach you how to get a sound from your own page and how to get a sound from someone else's page. So you want to go to one of your Musical.lys. So I'm going to go to this one. Okay, so you want to press this button right here, the little circle. You want to press that because that's the sound, and then press post video. And then there's different modes. There is epic, slow, normal, fast, and lapse. You want to go to fast so it can be like a little fast and a little slow. So if you want to add emojis, you're gonna press the little square button, and then when you press it, you see there's different emojis. I'm going to do there's so many you can choose from. I'm just going to use this one. You can make it bigger or smaller. I'm just going to make it like this size. That's how you do it. So, and then hold down the button once you do it. So it's like, so you can do hand gestures too. So I'm going to say, I'm going to call up. And then and then FaceTime, and then text. So just this is how you do it. Okay, you guys, I messed up. I thought it was text first. Okay, so. So this is how it turned out. So once you like it, you're going to press the arrow. The arrow. Well, you can add some more emojis, and you can only add emojis on Apple devices. So yeah, if you have an Apple device, you can add emojis. So once you're done, you're gonna press the arrow and then go there so you can add like a caption. So I'm gonna say, love this song, and then put some emojis. Okay, and then once you're done with that, press done. And then you can either post it or save it private. So right now I'm going to just save it private. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, now to get to someone else's page to use a sound, you're going to go to the search, like the magnifying glass, and then press search and then type in the person that you want, like their username. I'm going to type in my sister's. And then press it, and then there, you can see their account. And then go down, and then press the song you want. I'll press this one. Let's see how long it is. Okay, this is how it looks. And then you want to do the same thing and press the circle button and then post video. So if you want to do it with no hands, you're going to want to press the little timer button, right? It's the third one, the timer button. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to set it here and put the emoji. I'm going to put the crazy face emoji. So this is the emoji I used. Okay, so press the timer, and then now you're going to be good to do your music. So that's how it looks once you're doing it on 5 seconds. So this is how it turned out. Okay, so after you do like from a person's page, like the sound, it's going to say inspired by and then their name. So mine is inspired by my sister, which is at Leah _ dancing. So I'm going to just leave it how it is, and then I'm going to just save it private. And then once you do that, you have your Musical.ly all done. And if you press private, nobody's going to see it. But if you press post, people is going to see it. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm glad that you watched my video of how to do a Musical.ly. And like, comment, and subscribe. And share this with people if they don't know how to do a Musical.ly. Bye, you guys.